In this video, we'll clean up the resources that we created. Before I begin, I should warn you, when you're deleting resources this way, you need to be careful. If you use GCP for work or collaborating with others, deleting resources this way is not recommended, as you might delete resources that you need accidentally when doing this through the console. This may cause severe disruptions to your work. Instead, use the provided SDK such as the Python SDK to create, delete resources safely. Or use a tool such as Terraform, which is an infrastructure as code library to manage resources. This is much safer if you're using GCP in real-world applications or important projects. However, since I set this project up for playing with GCP resources, I'll be showing how to delete resources this way. We'll first delete the endpoint, then the model, the dataset, and finally the GCS bucket. If you try to delete the endpoint, you'll see that the delete option is disabled. This is because there's an active model. First, you need to undeploy the model like this. Now you can delete the endpoint. Next, go to the model registry and delete the model. Now go to the training and delete the training job as well. Go to datasets and delete the dataset. If you go into the metadata section, you'll see it has a bunch of references to the datasets you created. We'll delete them too. Finally, go to Google Cloud Storage and delete the buckets. That's it. Now you have cleaned up your project so that you won't get accidentally billed. I hope you learned some exciting capabilities available in Vertex AI. It is a great tool that can cater for a wide variety of needs for cloud machine learning. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm looking forward to see what exciting projects you might be doing with Vertex AI.